how do you get stronger? How do we improve our rehab? Of course, exercise is part of that. But did you know that sleep is also a critical component of improving your strength? We need to be able to sleep. While we sleep is when our body is doing some very important functions. And these include repairing and rebuilding our muscle cells so they will be stronger and more vigorous. And that's part of how our muscles get stronger, our bones get stronger, and actually it's a big part of the normal functioning of our bodies. Now, I am having this great conversation with Sheryl Poremba, who's a physical therapist, who will be talking with us about why she stresses sleep quality when she's working with her patients in her physical therapy practice. And so, yes, she certainly is teaching them the importance of exercise, of strengthening, of balance training, of stretching, but she also stresses the importance of getting a good night's sleep. And my advice is your target should be 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Include a wind down time so that you've turned off the social media, turned off email, have turned off the screens. Think about a meditative practice, an Epsom salts bath, a time for prayer, reflection, and ease into your nighttime routine. Sheryl will talk with us about her conversations that she's having with her physical therapist in her physical therapy practice. Yes, exercise is vital, stretching is vital, but so is sleep. If we don't have good sleep, it will be much harder for your cells to build stronger muscle cells, stronger bones, stronger ligaments, and harder for you to improve your physical functioning. We'll be having this conversation with Sheryl as part of the bonus calls that we are having with the seminar. Don't miss out. You'll certainly learn more key tips on how to improve the quality of your sleep.